Imagine this. It's late at night. The world around you is quiet, but your mind is racing. Thoughts loop endlessly as you toss and turn. The hours tick by, and suddenly, it's morning. You drag yourself out of bed, already dreading the day. Sound familiar? Many of us live this cycle far too often, thinking it's just part of life. But here's the reality. Sleep isn't just about resting. It's a powerful tool for transformation. It affects your energy, mood, health, and even your ability to achieve your dreams. The right amount of quality sleep can change everything. In this video, we'll uncover why sleep is vital, common mistakes you might be making, and a step-by-step guide to help you sleep better tonight. Let's dive in and take back the night. Chapter 1. Why Sleep Matters. Sleep isn't just rest. It's a vital process that impacts every aspect of your life. While you may think sacrificing sleep for work, study, or entertainment is harmless, the truth is the opposite. Let's explore 6 key reasons why sleep matters more than you realize. Mental clarity and focus. Sleep refreshes your brain, allowing it to process information, consolidate memories, and think more clearly. Without it, your cognitive functions slow down, making even simple tasks seem daunting. Mood regulation. Ever feel irritable after a poor night's sleep? That's because sleep helps regulate your emotions. Skipping sleep can lead to mood swings, stress, and even symptoms of depression or anxiety over time. Physical health. Sleep is when your body repairs itself. It strengthens your immune system, lowers the risk of heart disease, and regulates hormones like insulin, which controls blood sugar. Poor sleep, on the other hand, increases your risk of chronic illnesses. Productivity booster. A well-rested brain is a productive brain. People who sleep well perform better at work, solve problems faster, and make better decisions compared to those who don't. Creativity enhancer. Sleep fosters creative thinking. REM sleep, in particular, helps your brain make unique connections and generate new ideas, which is why sleeping on it often leads to breakthroughs. Weight management. Sleep affects hunger hormones. Lack of sleep disrupts these hormones, making you crave unhealthy foods and overeat. This can lead to weight gain over time. Sleep isn't just a passive activity, it's an active investment in your well-being. From mental clarity to physical health, the benefits of good sleep are undeniable. By prioritizing sleep, you're setting yourself up for success in every area of life. Let's move on to understand why we fail to sleep well and how to fix it. Chapter 2. Why we struggle to sleep well and how to fix it. Good sleep often feels elusive, yet the reasons behind poor sleep are surprisingly common. Understanding these challenges and knowing how to overcome them can transform your nights. Let's dive into 10 major culprits that sabotage your sleep and practical solutions for each. Too much screen time before bed. The blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and computers suppresses melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate sleep. Scrolling social media or binge watching a show tricks your brain into staying alert. Solution: create a digital curfew. Turn off screens at least an hour before bed and consider blue light blocking glasses if you must use devices. Irregular sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at different times every day confuses your body's internal clock. Your circadian rhythm thrives on consistency. Solution: set a fixed bedtime and wake up time, even on weekends. This trains your body to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Stress and overthinking. Racing thoughts and unresolved worries are sleep's biggest enemies. Stress keeps your brain in fight or flight mode, making it impossible to relax. Solution: incorporate calming bedtime rituals like journaling, deep breathing, or meditation to quiet your mind. Caffeine and late night eating. Caffeine lingers in your system for hours, disrupting sleep, while heavy meals close to bedtime can cause discomfort or heartburn. Solution: avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. and stick to light snacks if you're hungry at night. Uncomfortable sleep environment. A noisy, bright, or cluttered bedroom can make sleep elusive. Temperature, lighting, and even your mattress play a significant role in sleep quality. Solution: optimize your bedroom for sleep. Use blackout curtains, white noise machines, and a comfortable mattress to create a sleep-friendly space. Lack of physical activity. Sedentary lifestyles contribute to restlessness at night. Exercise not only tires your body, but also reduces stress hormones, improving sleep quality. Solution: engage in regular physical activity, but avoid vigorous exercise too close to bedtime, as it can leave you wired. Alcohol consumption. While a nightcap might make you feel sleepy, alcohol disrupts REM sleep, the most restorative stage of sleep. Solution: limit alcohol intake, especially in the hours leading up to bedtime, ignoring natural sleep signals. Sometimes, we push through sleepiness, delaying bedtime for just one more episode, or a few more emails. Ignoring your natural sleep cues confuses your body. Solution: pay attention to signs of fatigue, like heavy eyelids or yawning, and honor them by heading to bed. Overuse of sleeping pills. While medication might provide temporary relief, relying on sleeping pills can lead to dependency and interfere with natural sleep cycles. Solution: focus on building healthy sleep habits instead of relying on medication for long-term sleep improvement. Underlying health issues. Conditions like sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, or anxiety disorders can seriously impact your ability to sleep. Solution: if sleep problems persist despite lifestyle changes, consult a healthcare professional to identify and treat underlying causes. challenges. Many sleep challenges stem from lifestyle choices, but each has a solution. By addressing the factors above, you can create an environment and routine that supports restful, rejuvenating sleep. Chapter 3. Action Plan. Building your sleep routine. Creating better sleep habits doesn't have to be overwhelming. By taking small, actionable steps, you can establish a routine that improves your rest over time. Here's an 8-step plan to help you get started. Set a fixed schedule. Commit to a consistent bedtime and wake-up time, even on weekends. This trains your internal clock and makes falling asleep easier. Action. Decide on a realistic time based on your daily schedule. Set alarms, not just to wake up, but to remind you when it's time to wind down. Create a relaxing evening ritual. Develop calming habits before bed to signal your body that it's time to sleep. Activities like reading, meditating, or taking a warm bath can help. Action. Choose 1 or 2 relaxing activities you enjoy and dedicate 30 minutes to them each evening. Optimize your sleep environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for sleep. A quiet, cool, and dark space is ideal. Action. Declutter your room. Invest in blackout curtains and consider using a white noise machine or earplugs to minimize disturbances. Limit blue light exposure. Reduce screen time at least an hour before bed. Blue light disrupts your body's natural production of melatonin. Action. Use night mode on your devices or wear blue light blocking glasses if you must use screens in the evening. Track your sleep patterns. Understanding your sleep habits can reveal areas for improvement. Use a sleep app or journal to monitor your routine. Action. Record your bedtime, wake-up time, and how you feel in the morning for a week. Adjust habits based on patterns you notice. Incorporate morning sunlight. Exposing yourself to natural light in the morning helps regulate your circadian rhythm and sets you up for better sleep at night. Action. Spend 10-15 minutes outside or near sunny windows shortly after waking up. Be mindful of food and drink. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol in the hours leading up to bedtime. These can disrupt your ability to fall and stay asleep. Action. Plan your evening meals and drinks so they don't interfere with sleep. Opt for herbal teas or light snacks if needed. Make adjustments gradually. Don't try to change everything overnight. Focus on 1 or 2 habits at a time. This makes the process manageable and sustainable. Action. Pick the easiest step to start with, like setting a bedtime, and build from there. This action plan breaks down sleep improvement into manageable steps. By incorporating these habits into your daily life, you'll create a foundation for restful, consistent sleep. Over time, these changes will become second nature, helping you feel energized and focused every day. Improving your sleep is one of the most impactful things you can do for your overall well-being. From understanding the science of rest to adopting practical habits, better sleep is within reach. We've explored why sleep matters, common mistakes to avoid, and the actionable steps you can take to enhance your nightly routine. Small adjustments, like maintaining a consistent schedule, creating a calming bedtime ritual, or optimizing your environment, can lead to transformative changes in how you feel, think, and perform. Sleep isn't just rest, it's the foundation for a healthier, happier life. Start implementing these steps today, and watch how they shape your energy, mood, and productivity. Sleep better, live better. It's that simple. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to help with the YouTube algorithm. Remember, small changes lead to big improvements over time. See you in the future.